see something a little different on yours than what you'll see on mine. But we'll get started here on the left-hand side and start with the activity feed. Your activity feed are boards that you follow currently on StockedIn. So any board that you're currently following, you'll see here. If for any reason you miss a couple of messages, you'll see a couple of numbers here. It might say 1, 2, 10, whatever. That's how many messages you missed on that particular board. Moving on down, we have our next section of the most stocked in. The most stocked in is something that's recorded on the website when users put in the $ in front of the ticker symbol. It records that, and the ones that are done the most will show up here on the most stocked in. Now, if you scroll over one of the tickers here, you'll see we get a little chart that pops up with the current activity for the day. So CBIS today is up a little bit over 10, almost 11%. That's 14.42 million in volume. These are 15-minute delayed, but at least you get an idea of what it's been doing all day. The next section here we have is the most pumped in. The most pumped in is related to the board itself when posting. If you like a post, you can go over there and you can click on pump it. Okay, and every time it's pumped, it will get recorded, and the more times it's pumped, the more likely it will show up here as the most pumped in. Now, the next section we have is featured videos. The featured videos are obviously located, all the videos are located in our video section. We'll get that in a minute. But these are the ones that are featured right now. We have 3 that show up here. Okay, now let's go up to the top of the page. And you can see here our menu. We have the home button, obviously. The boards, which will take you to the message boards on StockedIn. Then we have our tools page, which has DD Amanda, STT Radio, videos, and the newsletter. The newsletter is a one-page sign-up for multiple newsletters. All you have to do is check the box of the newsletters you want to receive, put your email address in once, hit send, and boom, you're all done. Okay, so now we got the messages are next. This is where you can check all your messages that you received on the website. You can also go there and broadcast to all of your followers with one click. You can broadcast to every single one of them on the website. The next page we have is the members page, where you can go and follow people, unfollow people if you want, check out people's profiles, see who's on the site, who's not, and so on. Next we have the My In page. If you go to your My In page, you'll have your boards that you're following, also the ones that you built, your activity stream, which is basically what's here on your home page. Again, the broadcast, which I just mentioned, where you can broadcast to all of your followers. You can edit your profile, you can check your followers, who you're following, and obviously view your own profile. Okay, now let's move over to the right side of the website and take a look at what's going on there. On the right hand side we have our newest users. These are the people that just signed up here at StockedIn. You can just scroll over top of them, you'll see their in card. You can follow them, send a message, view their profile right here. Let's move on down to the next section. Next section is newest boards here on StockedIn. So you have all the newest boards that have been built. Right now the latest board here is AAA Energy. Anytime you build a new board, obviously it will show up here in the #1 spot. Then we have our most active users. Our most active users are people that are active on the website, obviously. So as you post and become active, your name will show up here. Then we'll move down to most active boards. Obviously these are the ones that are posted on the most throughout the day here on StockedIn, and right now Cannabis Science is our #1 board, the one that's been posted on the most. Now let's take a look at the center section of the website, of your homepage I should say, and let's see what's going on here. Now in here you have, this is where you post. Okay, now if I wanted to post that and make it bold, I can highlight it and that will make the post bold. This will italicize it, this underlines it. Now if I wanted to put a URL in, I can simply use this URL code and then put the URL there. If I wanted to add an image, I can click on the image. Now on this one, you have to have the image loaded somewhere on the internet because it's going to ask you for the source of it. So that's a little tricky if you don't know how to do that. The easiest thing to do is just go right down here to photo, and then you can browse your computer for that image that you wanted to post about. Okay. Color, if you want to add color to your post, you click on color, and then any color you want to add, just replace the word red, and you can put any color you want there. If you want green, just type in green. Make your post and it will post it in green. Now videos right here, if you click on this, okay, it's going to ask you to upload a video. These are videos that you have on your computer. Now if you wanted to post a video from YouTube, you would go to link, and I think I have one in here, yes, and then attach the link of the YouTube video, and there it is. That's the video right there. Okay, so that's how you would do a YouTube video. You'll notice on mine I have post to Twitter. Okay, you'll find under your profile, when you're editing your profile, it's asking you to link your Twitter account to StockedIn. It's very simple to do, and anytime you post here, you can automatically post to Twitter, which in turn will post to your Facebook and your LinkedIn accounts. So it's a very nice tool to have and something that you should add if you plan on being active here. The last one here is the document. The document allows you to go and post a document to the website. So if you have, let's say, a 8K or something like that that you want to post in PDF format, you can do that using the document. And that pretty much covers the home page. Again, you'll see something different. Depends on who you're following and the activity that you have. The blast it button is for Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. You just click on them and you send it. Again, the pump it is what we're recording on the most pumped in. Okay, and let's see, anything else? The blast it, you can comment on all posts. If you comment, just type something in there, hit comment, and we'll post it there. Let me just show you how this color thing works real quick. Type something in. And I got green as my color. And then let's highlight this whole thing. Let's make it bold too. And let's try it again. Let's highlight this whole thing and let's underline it. So if we post that, there you see. Welcome to StockedIn. It's bold, it's green, and it's underlined. Okay, so that's how you use all those commands up there. Alright, that pretty much covers our homepage here at StockedIn.com. Hopefully everybody's enjoying the website. If you have any feedback, comments, you want to see something added, something's not working well for you, just hit us up at admin@StockedIn.com. Good luck and happy trading to everybody.